Thanks for watching this video. We're going to be talking about the entrepreneurial mindset. So in this video, we're going to explore a couple different topics, including describing the entrepreneurial mindset. We're going to go into the differences between what we call a growth mindset as well as a fixed mindset. And then we're going to discuss why this mindset is fundamental for entrepreneurs like you. So let's get started. Now, the term mindset refers to a set of attitudes and beliefs that shape how we perceive and respond to the world around us. It sort of acts as a lens through which we interpret experiences and then make decisions. A good way to think about mindset is as a mental filter that guides our reactions as well as our choices. Now that we know a little bit about mindset in general, let's delve into the topic of entrepreneurial mindset, which is a mindset that's crucial for those venturing into the world of entrepreneurship. So on one hand, we have what we call a growth mindset. Now, this type of mindset revolves around the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication, effort, and hard work. Now, people with a growth mindset typically embrace challenges, learn from failures, and continually seek opportunities for improvement. Now, contrast that with what we call a fixed mindset. Now, a fixed mindset involves the belief that abilities are essentially innate and unchangeable. Those with a fixed mindset often fear challenges, take criticism personally, and may attribute others' success to things like luck or maybe even privilege. One thing that I want to mention as well is oftentimes this whole dynamic of fixed and growth mindset is very situational, meaning that we may maintain a fixed mindset belief with certain things, as well as a growth mindset with others. Now that we know a little about the differences between the fixed and the growth mindset, let's explore why the growth mindset particularly is important for entrepreneurs. The first reason is seizing opportunities. Now, entrepreneurs with a growth mindset are quick to identify and seize on opportunities, even in uncertain as well as evolving conditions. The second benefit of having a growth mindset is learning from failure. By embracing a growth mindset, entrepreneurs are allowed to view failures as valuable learning experiences, motivating them to persist as well as improve. Next, having a growth mindset contributes to adaptability and resilience. Entrepreneurs with this mindset possess the adaptability and resilience that's needed to overcome challenges as well as setbacks. And lastly, having a growth mindset contributes to innovation and creativity. A growth mindset fosters innovative thinking by encouraging entrepreneurs to explore new solutions and approaches, since the fear of failure isn't as significant as those that maintain a fixed mindset. Now, cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset is an ongoing journey. It involves recognizing that inner voice of doubt and consciously choosing to respond differently. For instance, if you're faced with doubts regarding starting a business due to a lack of certain skills, a growth mindset response would involve committing to learning and putting in an effort to improve in those particular areas. So as we wrap up this video, I want to conclude by saying that an entrepreneurial mindset is the bedrock of success in the dynamic realm of entrepreneurship. It's not necessarily a fixed trait, rather it's a skill that can be developed over time with practice as well as intention. The important thing to remember is the voice you listen to most becomes your choice. So by nurturing your growth mindset, you enhance your ability to identify opportunities, navigate changes, and create a meaningful impact in your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for watching this lecture on the entrepreneurial mindset. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.